It's almost there. Wow, there it is.
Hi everyone, with Skippy Vlog.
You're gonna break some rocks?
Yeah.
You want me to help you open it?
No, I'm gonna open it.
You're gonna do it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
What is it?
It's amazing.
Those are the big rocks?
Yeah. Many big rock. Holly rock, Muscat rock, Anki rock, must do poopy rock.
Are you just making that up?
It's a mommy
That's how
rock.
your rock is gonna be. When you break it, it's gonna look like that. Oh, it came with a magnifying glass. And what is this? That's probably for like the rock, huh? This one. And what's this?
Oh, that's it.
You got your safety goggles.
The goggles.
Gonna put them on?
Yeah.
Can you see what you see here?
Let's get big rocks. Yeah, I have to grab this one. Let's see, couldn't.
That looks cool.
It's a big rock. Let's see it.
Let me see. I'm just gonna try to break it in one. It's so loud it echoes.
It's so loud.
Can I see it? Whoa. I see it.
Put it in here. Put it in there.
Put the rock in there, Felix.
It's not doing it.
You want to go outside to do it?
Yes.
Okay, go put your sweater on. It's raining.
I see it down there.
All right, let's break the rocks. Put your goggles on. It's almost there.
Two hours later.
It's so hard, huh? It won't break. Wow, there it is. Can I see? There it is. Wow, that's really pretty.
This.
No, we'll break this one now.
No, this is all golden. I have the pink.
Careful. Put your goggles on. Here, I'll help you.
I have big pieces.
There's another one right there. Look, another piece right there. Leave it there. You can't break that one.
Yes.
That one's too big.
What's inside it? What's inside?
That's just a brick. Uh oh, it's raining. Come on, let's go.
Let's go show to Dad.
Which one's your favorite one?
This one. And this one too.
What?
Perfect. First is this one. Bye, thanks for watching.